Our retailers across the Sinclair Group will be opening soon, and whilst things may look a little different, you can still be assured of being looked after to the highest possible standard, with your safety and that of our colleagues being our #1 priority. Our sales teams are ready and available to assist you, online via email, live chat or social media, or over the phone. Whichever means of contact you prefer, we are here for you. When you can visit us in person, you will notice that we've adapted our showrooms to meet government guidance on social distancing and the 2-metre rule, as well as hygiene procedures. Of course, we're also making the most of today's digital technology to make the experience of buying a car from us as easy as possible. You can peruse 1,800 used cars online, request a virtual tour of any model that interests you, reserve it if it's the perfect car for you, and you can even arrange one of our affordable finance packages online too. We've also introduced a new click and collect service that means, if you prefer, you can complete your entire purchase online and then collect with a full contactless handover. We will arrange a convenient appointment date with a virtual handover undertaken the day before to help explain the key features of your new car and answer any questions you might have. On the day of collection, you will be greeted by a member of the team at your local Sinclair retailer and taken to a designated handover area with social distancing and sanitising measures in place. Once everything is in order, we'll present you with a sealed bag containing the sanitised keys to your car, which will be waiting for you, fully valeted and sanitised for you to drive away. Our click and collect appointments should be completed within 10 minutes. In these unprecedented times, we are fully prepared to look after you and your next vehicle purchase. We look forward to being of service, but in the meantime, please continue to stay safe.